Hello, welcome mga Kakopiko. I am Benji. I travel the world for free and get paid as a seafarer. I've visited almost 120 countries in 6 continents. Dito sa segment na ito, I will showcase and share to you guys my life, my tips, my travels, and reactions. But today, we'll talk about jobs that can help you to achieve your goal and see the world at the same time. Disclaimer lang po, this is my personal beliefs and knowledge that can help you, as far as I know, to achieve your goal. It might work for you, but not for everybody. So be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when we get a new episode. Without further Mountain Dew, welcome to the channel, intro. So dun po sa last episode natin, napag-usapan natin about expat and digital nomads. So on this episode, we'll check what's specifically on my personal knowledge could help you to achieve your goal in traveling. So I have some lists. It would be random, but I have the top 3 that totally can help you achieve this goal. Travel blogger, but if you become a travel blogger, you produce your own video, meaning you have to put up a money first before earning on it, or putting in a website, or putting it in here in YouTube or in Facebook or any platform that you can earn money, which is I could say it's not that easy. That could happen. You can do it overnight though, but making money out of it, it's not that easy. So
if you're not drinking coffee, something's wrong with you.
Our top 3 job can help you to see the world as well is that everybody knows already, as far as I know, is if you become a health worker. So a lot of our health workers around the world, thousands of them already migrated to different countries, not only in US, UK, Ireland, Europe, and Australia, and also work for retirement homes, clinics. So a lot of our health workers manage to get a job abroad. So when you get a job abroad, they get paid better, and they get travel for free as well to see the other places, and they can manage to travel already at the same time. So my second job that I could suggest is, it's not easy though, but a lot of people already is doing this, is the online selling affiliates. So you heard it for the first time, the online selling affiliates. These people are digital nomads, I could say them. Okay, they might be just working at home, work from home, which everybody talks about now during pandemic. But these online sellers, affiliates, they're making a lot of money, and they can work anywhere while traveling. So imagine you work and then you can travel. So I mean the job that doesn't pay you to travel though, but you can work anywhere while traveling. So it means it gives you more time, you manage your own time, not sitting on a building for 8 hours a day and earn the money, and you need to be available from Monday to Friday. These guys, they can go anywhere in the world if they're making a lot of money. It's not easy though, but a lot of people is already doing this. So you can research about this online selling, marketing, affiliate strategies. They're all over YouTube. Of course, on my top one list is you work for a cruise ship or on a ship. You get a short contract. You get 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, more maximum of 1 year on board the ship, and you get a free travel. I work on a cruise ship and I managed to see 120, almost 120 countries in 6 continents. So I get paid in traveling.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow.
There's a lot of agencies you can go to apply for this job if you think you are qualified in doing this job. Not everybody can do it, but a lot of people can benefit in getting this job and get a free travel and get paid at the same time. So in cruise line industry, there's a lot of Filipinos already are working for the cruise line industry, which is really not good at this time of pandemic because cruise lines stop operations. But the day will come.
But as the day when the world declared in one voice, we will not go quietly into the night, we will not vanish without a fight.
And they will resume sailing again, and you will get the opportunity to take the job. Purpose of our lives is to be happy. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up the rain. Nothing in the world can trouble you as much as your own thoughts. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take.
Avgångsans till Oslo, sista samturning SK 849 till Oslo, 103A.
Vatican rule.
Google guide. So if you are still young watching this video and you're going to think about future or going to college and going to study, so you have these choices. What job do you want to do? What do you want to do on your future? Think about your future. So that's it, guys. It's another episode we had, and don't forget, as I said, life is short, life is beautiful. I could say life is so meaningful. Make the most of what you have there. Always remember, whatever you do in life, be happy, smile, and I'll see you on the next coffee break. Bye-bye. Welcome mga Kakopiko. I am Benji, and coffee break, and